Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to learn how to make your images smoothly blend into any color background? First, click the Create button. Then from the available options, choose Custom Size to continue setting dimensions. Choose any size you prefer. In this example, select 300 by 300 pixels. Enter these dimensions to continue with the process. Go to the Elements tab and enter a search term for the photo you want. Browse the results, then click on the image you like to add it directly into your design workspace. Go to the Apps section and search for Image Mixer by typing it into the search bar. Locate the Image Mixer app in the results and click to open it. Next, select the image you want to work with from your files or the app's image library. After choosing your image, click on it to confirm your selection. This will load the selected image into the Image Mixer app, where you can begin making edits or adjustments as needed for your project. You can choose between radial and linear gradients here. To select radial, click on the radial option. If you want to change the size of the radial gradient, adjust the radius by clicking and dragging the handles or using the radius slider. Experiment with the settings to achieve your desired look. For linear gradients, simply select linear and make your adjustments. Use these options to control the style and size of your gradient effect. Click the Save button to finalize your design. Once your design is saved, you have the option to add another background. To do this, look for the Background section or panel, then select the background you want to add. This allows you to customize your project even further by layering different backgrounds to enhance your final design. In the Elements tab, go to the search bar and type Frame. Browse the results, then look specifically for a rectangular frame. Once you find it, click on the rectangular frame to add it to your project workspace. Press Enter to confirm your search. Now, let's scroll through the results to find an image or item similar to the example shown here. Once you identify the correct option, click on it to select. If the item appears too small or difficult to view, use the magnifying tool or the zoom slider to enlarge it for better visibility. Adjust the zoom until you have a clear view of the details. Make sure the content matches what you're looking for. You can repeat these steps as needed to find the best match. This ensures you have the right item before proceeding to the next step. You can now use your mouse as demonstrated. Once you're finished with your work, locate the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Share to access sharing options. If you want to save your file locally, select the Download option from the drop-down menu. Your file will be prepared for download. Confirm the download and the file will be saved to your device. That's how you share and download your project. Increase the image size to enhance quality, or choose the PDF print option for the best printing results. Both methods ensure your final output looks crisp and professional. Now you know how to fade images onto a color background in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.